The Advanced link in the Administration portal contains a variety of features that allow you to customize the software and import and export student data. At the top, you'll see a number of details about your site. These settings can be changed by clicking on the Edit Site Information button. The lower section of the Advanced screen, labeled Student Management, is used to import and export data from the software and to email reports to stakeholders. To import student data into the software, click Import Students. Students can be imported using one of two types of files, a CSV file or an RHEX file. Click Choose File and locate the desired file on your computer. The list of students in the file will populate the available students table. Select the instructor that will be responsible for monitoring the progress of the students. Next, select each student that you wish to import, or click the Select All button to select all students in the list, and click the right arrow button to indicate that you want to import them into the software. When you are satisfied with the list of students in the selected students table, click the Save button to import them into the software. To export student data from the software, click Export Students. Select the students you want to export from the available students table. You can search for a student by name using the search box, or you can use the menus near the top of the page to filter the list of students by instructor or group. You can also click the Select All button to select all students in the table. Shift-click to select all students in a continuous range, or Control-click to select multiple students in a non-continuous sequence. When the appropriate students are selected, click the right arrow button to move those students to the selected students table on the right. Then click the Save button. An RHEX file is created and can be saved onto your computer. This RHEX file can be imported back into Reading Horizons Elevate at any time to restore this student data. To email a customized class roll report to targeted stakeholders, click Email Reports. Enter the first name, last name, and email address of the report recipient and click Save. This adds the person to the report recipients table. Skip this step if the recipient's name and email are already listed in the table. Next, select the person's name from the report recipients table. Then select one or more site names from the available site reports table, and click the right arrow button to move the site name or names to the selected site reports table. Then, click the Save Selected Reports button.